this election's going to be huge. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be tremendous. No crooked Hillary, crooked, bad, emails. Bill Clinton's a rapist. I'm not a rapist. I love women. This is going to be huge and amazing, this election, and I cannot be killed or destroyed. My pop toy is amazing. It's so huge. Look at how huge the head is. It's bigger than my real head. This stings. Look at it. It's huge. I don't have a mouth. That's okay. I can still talk because I'm amazing. Stupendous. Phenomenal. This is going to be great. It's going to be huge, okay? So we figured the only fitting way to kill this racist guy. Excuse me, I'm not racist. I'd like to say I love the blacks and the minorities, the brown people. There are some good ones. I just like to say that. And here we go. Get a little egg on there. You got to make sure you thoroughly cover the Donald Trump over here with the egg before you put him into the breadcrumbs here. Get them nice and covered. Let's make sure he gets nice and covered. And when I was taught how to fry stuff, we fry the galamai on Christmas. We always double dip them. You always got to double dip to double batter the stuff. So here we go. Nice and double dip. Make sure you don't pull too much of it comes off of it. Nice. Cover. That's good. Anything looks good. Looks good. Looks alright. Alright, let's see how he cooks. I was always a fan of the medieval, torture methods. I like the cooking and boiling oil. That always appealed to me when you see it in the old cartoons and the old movies. Bugs Bunny. There we go. That's a nice spot. I wonder how the Don tastes. It's going to be amazing. It's going to taste like $1 million. Wonder if he would serve this at Mar-a-Lago. What do you think? No?
Probably not.
Let's see if we can get a shot of his face. Nope. It looks nice and fried to me.
Deep fried and battered. Give him a nice tan, too.
Yeah. He might actually have a real tan now.
Yeah.
It'll be a little less orange. Alright, let's see how he cooks. Oh, look at that. It actually smells pretty good.
It's a pretty good tan.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Good job.